Hello Virgo Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayo? And welcome to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for March 3 hanggang March 9. So, ano po ang inyong mga hinahangad na wishes and plans this week? Tignan natin kung ano ang mga lalabas today. And also, use po your intuition sa ating reading sa araw na ito para makuha nyo po yung akmang messages na kaloob sa inyo ng yung spirit guides, at yung ibang messages po at information ay para sa ibang Virgo po yun. Okay? Thank you nga po pala sa mga nag-like, nag-share, and also nag-subscribe. And for those who are not skipping the ads, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta and generosity sa ating channel. Okay, start na po tayo. At the center of your reading, you have the Nine of Cups. You have to wish. Like I've said, kung lagi po kayo nanonood sa aking channel, pag lumalabas sa Nine of Cups, you have to wish. Kasi this is a wish fulfillment card. So, take a moment po muna, close your eyes, i-wish mo yung mga gusto mong i-wish na matupad this week or this month. Ibang matagal mo ng wishes, and it will come true with the Nine of Cups card. Okay, in the area of what you want, you have the Three of Cups. Wow. In the area of what you need, you have the Moon card. In the area of recent past, you have the Two of Pentacles. In the area of your near future, you have the Hermit card. Lumabas ka, Virgo. In the area of your challenge this week, you have the Two of Swords. 2-2. You're aligned. In the area of your fortune, you have the Tower card. Sa swerte naman siya, so pag-usapan natin yan later. In the area of your divine advice, you have the Knight of Wands. At saka Seven of Swords. And your outcome this week, Virgo, you have the Temperance card. Beautiful. You are guided by Archangel Michael. At the bottom of your deck, you have the Fool card, a brand new start and a brand new beginning. I'm sensing that this week will be the start of something new, a better, a bigger, and brighter thing na darating sa life mo this week. Kasi ang Fool card, sino mo, zero siya. Sabihin, starting new siya. So kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan mo in the past, tapos na yun. This time, bagong simula kang dapat abangan. Simula na magiging happy ka. It's like a free feeling. Parang malaya ka this week. I'm also sensing na parang malakas na loob mo mag-try ng kahit anong bagay this week. So, napaka-encouraging at saka positive nitong background mo sa linggong ito, Virgo. At the center, yung kanilang wish fulfillment card na napakaganda. Meron kang wish fulfillment now this week, Virgo. I'm sensing this energy na meron kang tinrabaho in the past and now may katuparan yan. Meron yang development for others. Kung meron kayong tinatrabaho about your job or sa negosyo, something that you have manifested. And now, may chance na ikaw ay mag-start start over about something, whether ma-feel mo, okay, now it's the right time for me to do this, and meron kang matutupad yan, a wish fulfillment. You will feel na ang bilis-bilis ito dumating, smooth sailing, magaan, mararamdaman mo na para sa'yo ito. Okay, so Nine of Cups being clarified by the Six of Swords. May pag-andar, may paglaya, I'm sensing that this wish fulfillment will set you off to a brand new start. Parang mararamdaman mo, aandar na yan. Kung halimbawa, dati hinihiling mo, sana makapag-abroad ako, sana makuha ko to, dilaksan mo loob mo, sumugal ka sa bagay na yan. Matutupad siya, makikita mo na yung result, darating na yung job order, and then that will give you the go signal to go to the things na gusto mong gawin, na gusto mong simulan. Kung halimbawa sa community nyo, sa mga Virgo oldies natin dyan, halimbawa sa community, bago kang gustong simulan na project, halimbawa with your co-oldies sa inyong area, and you will be given that boost na para, sige, sisimulan ko to, gagawin ko to, kahit paano sabihin nila. And magbububo ngayon ng maganda, matutupad yung mga plano at hiniling mo dyan, and that will make you go further sa kung ano man po pinabalak nyo. Parang I'm sensing the word, kung ano yung hiniling mo, mas higit pa doon yung makukuha mo, because merong pag-abante, may pagsulong. Pagsulong sa calmer waters, meaning kung dati turbulent, maraming problema, maraming stress, maraming nangyayari. Now is the right time for you sa pag-acquire mo na itong wish na mo na natupad. Papunta ka na sa tahimik na buhay, sa buhay na pinangarap mo, sa buhay na you've been longing to have for a very, very long time, Virgo. So, start pa lang, ang ganda na ng reading mo. At the area of what you want and what you need, we have Three of Cups in what you want. Gusto mo mag-celebrate, gusto mo na maabot yung parang bunga ng pinaghirapan mo. Comment down below nga kung ano yung mga pinaghihirapan mo now na parang unti-unti mong binubuo. and then you're sensing this time around dapat mag-celebrate na ako, dapat makuha ko na yung fruit ng labor na to, whether you're working on an exam, I'm hearing an exam, whether tagal-tagal mo pinag-aralan and then this time mag-take ka ng exam and you want to celebrate na, you want to reach na the fruit of your labor. Kung sa negosyo man yan, parang this time you want na makita yung parang mabuo na siya, masemento na siya, ribbon cut na. Parang gusto mo na i-celebrate yung parang matagal mo nang pinagplanuhan, and parang this time you are really ready to get a good result. Kasi parang dati naiintindihan mo na kailangan mong trabaho, piga, pagod. You understand the game. You understand how hard it is to get a good result sa isang bagay na tinatrabaho mo. We're Virgo, very practical. Ano tayo alam natin yung katotohanan para sa isang bagay, diba? Kung kailangan natin magtiyaga sa isang bagay, alam natin kung ano yung mga dapat nating ibuhos na pagod, pawis at oras at energy sa bagay na yan, diba? So now, I'm sensing you want to really celebrate on the things. And I think, tama lang naman, kahit hindi mo pa nakuha yung halimbawa result sa isang bagay, celebrate your small wins, celebrate your efforts. Kasi sa ganyang paraan nag-e-enjoy ka sa journey mo. So, the Three of Cups being clarified by the King of Pentacles. Yes, this is really about the things that you worked hard for, the things na talagang nakita mo from miles away, yung bunga na parang, akin to. Ito yung gusto kong goal na maabot. And now is the right time for you to celebrate. I'm sensing ito isang bagay na talagang sinugalan mo na nakaraan, nilaksan mo yung loob mo to get this. Tayo, sigurista tayo mga Virgo. Virgo po kasi ako, September 18 ang birthday ko. So, sigurista tayo sa mga bagay na gusto nating tahakin, diba? Hindi tayo sumusubok kung alam natin na hindi pa tayo ready o kaya hindi tayo sure. But this time, I'm sensing that victory and celebration is near. At ito yung para sa mga pinaghirapan mo na gusto mong maabot na magagamit mo for a long time sa buhay mo. Parang dito ka mag-focus sa mga susunod na linggo, buwan o taon, at yan ang magdadala sa'yo ng maraming fortune, Virgo. In the area of what you need, sabi sa'yo ng spirit guides mo, you need to trust daw more on the things that are not sure. Whether ito ba tinatrabaho ko, ano pa bunga nito, ngayon parang nasa-sense mo hindi mo pa alam o hindi pa sigurado, but your spirit guides are telling you, trust ka lang sa process, daanan mo lang itong mahirap na daan kahit madilim o hindi napapagod ka masyado o feeling mo na humihina na yung faith mo o yung trust mo sa sarili mo o tiwala mo sa nangyayari sa kakayahan mo. Maraming problema left and right, maraming aberya, maraming pagsubok, ang daming delays, but your spirit guides and God is telling you to just trust the process. Trust me, sabi ni God, trust me and trust yourself kasi paparating na yan. Pasasaan din ba pagkatapos ng buwan may araw, hindi ba? So your efforts are not going to waste. Yan ang narinig ko, and it will come to you. The fruit of your labor is near. It's near. So the moon card is being clarified by the Chariot. Yes. Basta sumulong ka lang daw at paparating ka dun sa mga bagay na gusto mong makuha. You are guided by the archangels. Sa original tarot cards, ang Chariot, nasa bubungan ng Chariot niya, nandun yung mga constellations, stars. Ibig sabihin, the heavens are protecting you. The heavens are giving you the basbas, the blessings to go to the things na gusto mong simulan. So now, kung halimbawa, nasa journey ka, kung anong point na trabaho ninyo o pinagkakaabalahan po ninyo, whether exam, bagong negosyo, bagong trabaho o love life, at now, nahihirapan ka and you're thinking, saan pa ba to? Ano bang bunga nito? Kailan ko ba makakamit yung goal na gusto ko? You are being advised that trust the process and you are guided sa path na pupuntahan mo. At yun ay divinely orchestrated at divinely given sa'yo. So, very blessed ka this week, Virgo. In the area of your past, you have the Two of Pentacles. You've been dancing this two-disc balance, binabalance mo yung dalawang bagay sa life mo o maraming bagay sa life mo, whether trabaho, bahay, pagiging ina at pagiging asawa, at also binabalance mo ba kung nagtatrabaho ka ngayon. For others, nagnegosyo ka na as a income, and then meron ka pang day job na 9 to 5 halimbawa. So may mga bagay ka sa life mo na sobrang hirap, pero dahil importante siya sa'yo, binabalanse mo siya, and you are thinking, hanggang kailan ko ba ito babalansehin? In the past, ang daming parang hanggang kailan, pero nagtitiwala ka because all those things are important to you. at gusto mo silang pangalagaan at gusto mo silang makip in your life. Ano? So the Two of Pentacles is being clarified by the Knight of Cups. So there was an offer o good thing na dumating sa'yo in the past with this balancing act. Parang naging malinaw sa'yo, okay, ito yung dapat ko i-prioritize kasi may dumating na good news o may dumating na offer sa'yo, whether a new job or a new negosyo or a new love life for others, o halimbawa meron kang new sideline, basta something na pagkakaabalahan na in-offer sa'yo, binigay sa'yo, and that contributed sa balancing act. Parang, importante sa akin tong bagong blessing, hindi ko to pwedeng pabayaan, so kailangan ko balansehin yung life ko, balansehin ko yung schedule ko, kahit nakakapagod o wala ka ng energy o nakaka-drain ng energy, pero dahil ayaw mo sayangin yung blessings sa pinagkaloob sa'yo in the past, you try to balance it out. Whether yung opportunity ito sa job o sideline or something na talagang dumating sa iyo at pinahalagahan mo and you're thinking, sayang itong blessing na to, kailangan ko itong tanggapin at yakapin. Kaya medyo nahihirapan ka recently sa life mo, Virgo. But since meron kang wish fulfillment na sobrang ganda at pag-andar o pag-charge sa isang fantasy land, I'm calling yung area ng pinapangarap mong buhay ay fantasy land because yun yung bagay na gusto natin lahat marating, hindi ba? So you're gonna reach there. In the near future, merong the Hermit card. Ikaw to, Virgo. You're on your element in the near future. Yung mga bagay na hinahanap mo in the past, tatagpuan mo. Yung mga bagay na walang kasagutan with the Moon card, masasagot yan in the near future. Kasi hawak-hawak na niya yung bituin sa kamay niya. All along, nagagala si Hermit sa bundok, searching for the answers sa mga bagay na kina-question sa life niya. Bakit ganito? Bakit ako iniwan yan? O bakit natanggal ako sa trabahong yun? Bakit ito tinatrabaho ko, wala pa rin bunga, ganyan-ganyan. So you have a lot of questions in the past. And now, with the Hermit card, in your near future, the answers will come. I'm seeing na yung mga pinaghirapan mo, parating na yung bunga niyan at sasambulat yan sa iyo, para eto na pala yun. Because you have trusted yourself kahit hindi ka sigurado in the past, kahit maraming alinlangan, maraming takot. You went in, ginawa mo pa rin yung pangarap mo, yung gusto mo matupad, and now the answers will come to you. So congratulations. The Hermit card is being clarified by the Page of Pentacles. The answers will come and yung mga pinapangalagaan mo lalago. Whether halimbawa pinapangalagaan mo yung negosyo mo and daming aberya, hindi mo alam kung paano palalaguin. Daming questions about clients, ganyan. Halimbawa sa trabaho niya, nagbebenta ka ng bahay o nagbebenta ka ng kotse, and then daming aberya, daming paano ko ba ako makakabenta, paano ko ma-reach yung quota, ganyan. In the near future, the answers will come to you. Yung right strategy, the right way, yung mga, ganito lang pala, ganito pala yung gagawin ko, now I understand, ganyan. And then, saka mo lang mapapangalagaan itong pentacle o itong blessings na tinatrabaho at pinaghihirapan mong gawin at makuha. Page of Pentacles is telling you to focus on that job, focus on that blessing, focus on that love life, focus on that endeavor o good thing o good blessing sa dumating sa'yo sa life mo in the near future. So, I'm sensing, dahil sa mga gandang bagay na na-acquire at nakuha mo, parang you've been wise in the near future, parang magiging super wise ka sa area o bagay na ginagawa mo. Parang I'm sensing mamamaster mo na yung paggawa niyan at magiging madali na ang lahat at saka mo mapapangalagaan itong pentacle na to. Parang I'm sensing na dati hirap na hirap ka. Ngayon, in the near future, parang mamaniin mo na lang. Parang magagamay mo na yung isang bagay, yung parang tinatrabaho mo. And then, makikita mo unti-unti, mabibiyayaan ka na ng blessings. Dumadami na yung customers, lumalaki na yung negosyo mo. Halimbawa, okay sa trabaho, napapabilib mo na yung boss mo, pinagkakatiwalaan ka na ng workmates mo, tumataas na yung sweldo mo, ganyan. So, basta mag-focus ka sa endeavor mo and you will get what you want. In the area of your challenge this week, Virgo, you have the Two of Swords. This week, the challenge for you is to opening up yourself to your choices, to the things that you really, really want and not get distracted. Maraming bagay na pwedeng magpahina sa iyo sa pag-abot mo sa mga pangarap mo, sa mga gusto mo this week. Maraming mga iba't ibang mabibigay sa iyo ng opinion. So your choices and your mind and your heart will be clouded in a sense na parang hirap na hirap ka mag-decide. O nadidiminish yung motivation mo para makuha mo yung mga gusto mo. So the challenge this week is for you to focus and be decisive, okay? Trust your intuition na kung ano yung nasa sa loob mo, yun ang tama mong gawin, okay? The Two of Swords being clarified by the Two of Pentacles. Dalawang beses lumabas. 222 is you are aligned. Whatever you're doing, you are aligned with your path. Meaning, kung ano yung kung ano yung plano sa ng higher self mo, ay yun din yung ginagawa mo. So you're aligned with with the divine path na pinapagawa sa iyo ng ating Panginoon o ng yung spirit guides. So with 222, you are blessed. Challenge sa iyo ay to keep things on balance. Ngayon may paparating sa iyo na good blessings, may papunta ka sa calmer waters. Yung process na yun and you acting on it will it is requiring you to keep things on balance, on harmony. Maraming times sa pagod ka o maraming times na natatakot ka kung paano ba ganyan. Nakikita mo na malapit na may katuparan na ng wishes mo, may katuparan na ng mga pangarap mo. Unti-unti mo naman nakukuha. Pero dahil sa nasa process ka pa ng attaining that, the balance in your life is being questioned. Paano mo to babalansehin? I think you're still being tested kung gaano mo kagusto yung isang bagay. So make sure that you are not distracted at nandun pa rin yung buong motivation mo on what you want. Okay? In the area of your fortune, we have the Tower card. Fortune ito, good change daw paparating sa iyo. Napakagandang change. Kung naman itong paparating sa iyo this week na pagbabago, halimbawa, may something changes sa negosyo mo, halimbawa, may paparating na three clients halimbawa, and then they have three different needs. So these changes sa approach mo, sa paghawak mo sa clients mo, medyo mahirap, yes, but kung titignan mo mabuti na sa fortune area, so this change is like at least there are three clients and these potential three clients will give me the boosts in the job at saka meron kang dyan, makukuha commissions, diba? So every changes sa paparating sa life mo, I'm sensing this is for a greater good since nakalagay siya sa area ng iyong good fortune. So kung ano man po ito paparating ng good news, embrace a good tower moment, changes sa life mo now, whether sa trabaho o sa love life o sa negosyo, embrace it kasi ang kapalit ng ng tower na yan ay magandang pagbabago sa life mo. So the tower is being clarified by the justice. Yes, balance will be restored. Kung ngayon ang gulo-gulo ng life mo, parang hirap na hirap ka o ang hirap kunin ng mga bagay-bagay, ang daming gulo-gulo sa paligid, it will stop, Virgo, this week. Ito yung tower na yun. Pag gumuho na yung tower na yan, balance will be restored. May bagong tower kang bubuuin at andun yung harmony, peace, quiet, the truth will be there. May balancing act ka dyan. Parang ngayon, lahat gamay mo na siya at mapangahawakan mo lahat ng bagay na gusto mo kasi parang nalagpasan mo na yung test. Malalagpasan mo to and then the justice card will be yours. For others, I'm sensing kung may court battle ka since sa area siya ng good fortune, you will win that case, you will win that legal battle o kahit sa barangay nga lang kung may problema ka, you will get the approval or the favor sa inalakad mong kaso na yan. For others, I'm really sensing good things are gonna come to you this week. May pagbabago, yes. Daanan mo, accept it, and it will lead you to a better and balanced life. Okay? In the area of your divine advice, you have the Knight of Wands and the Seven of Swords. May good news na paparating sa life mo this week, Virgo. And your spirit guides are telling you to have a strategic plan on how to use it. Halimbawa, may paparating sa good news about a job or a sideline, ganyan. Kasi Knight of Wands is sender of good news, messenger of good news. At ito yung mga bagay na magpapa-ignite sa power mo. Parang gaganahan ka, may excite ka. And you are being advised na kailangan daw pagplanuhan mo mabuti kung paano mo to actionan o paano mo to gagawin so that it will not be para hindi siya masayang, para din hindi masira o hindi mag-go to waste. So make sure this week na kung ano man yung papating sa iyo mga good opportunities, whether new job o promotion or pwedeng paglago sa negosyo, make sure na you're keeping you're keeping things on your toes. Parang lahat hinahandle mo mabuti at nakikita mo lahat ng mga bagay, yung mga plan A, plan B, plan C ka pa so that things will still go on depending on your plan, okay? Para hindi rin masayang. So make sure that you have additional plan at hindi ka tulog sa mga bagay na paparating sa'yo so that alert na alert ka, alam mo kung anong dapat mong gawin. Have that strategic plan. So the Knight of Wands being clarified by the Strength card, this new opportunity is asking for you to be bold, to be strong, To be courageous, huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. So kung ito paparating na good news ay isang bagay na nag-require sa iyo ng iyong katatagan, okay? Ang Seven of Swords being clarified by the Nine of Swords, yes. I'm seeing na kung paghahandaan mo mabuti ito paparating na to, na good news sa life mo, at aaskasuhin mo siya with all your effort, with all your attention, mawawala yung mga worries mo, mawawala yung mga alinlangan, yung mga stress mo sa life. It will give you answers to the things na gusto mo ma-acquire noon pa. For other Virgos, I'm sensing na work on your own para makabawas sa stress. Kasi may mga Virgos, sanay tayo dyan. As Virgos, we like to work alone. So kung halimbawa, may tinatrabaho ka this week, try to do it on your own. Huwag mo muna ipamalita sa ibang tao so that mabawasan yung stress. Mabawasan yung mga chit-chat, mga pang-ilam na iba't ibang tao, okay? So that everything will go smoothly. Kaya naman natin lahat yung mga bagay on our own, diba? We're like that. We're very Virgo. Bago tayo puntahan ng iyong outcome na Temperance, let's have additional messages from the Divine. Unang-una, number 12. Convert niyo po ang 12 o important number sa inyo, whether anniversary o address, ganyan. There is a confirmation that this message is for you. Canary Spirit, kung nakita po kayo ng Canary anywhere with the pictures, internet, personal na pag-usapan, there is a confirmation that this message is for you. Canary Spirit, sing your own song. Have your own decisions. Huwag ka basta-basta papadikta sa ibang tao. Know your worth, know your own, speak up and have your own voice. Ika nga. So, kung ano yung naramdaman at gusto mong sabihin mo at di ka papadikta sa ibang tao. Another messages, finding sanctuary, opening to your spiritual source. So make sure that you have this spiritual power, especially with the Temperance, malakas yung pananalig sa Diyos. Find your tribe, yung mga taong kapalakas sa'yo, yung parang sila yung lakas mo, sila yung para sa'yo at nandyan para sa'yo anytime, anywhere. Also pray hard. This is the right time to have that malakas na spiritual strength so that kahit anong dalhin ng buhay, malakas at matatag ka. This week, Virgo, ito ang kailangan mo daw bigyan ng atensyon. Honesty. I can't always expect the truth from others, but I can expect it from myself. Kung honest ka sa sarili mo at honest ka sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo at intention mo, you have nothing to worry about, okay? And your outcome this week, Virgo, you have the Temperance card. I'm seeing patience, I'm seeing harmony ang outcome mo this week. If there's something na hinihintay mo mangyari sa mga bagay na sinugulan mo, tinatrabaho mo, at inilaban mo, you have to be very, very patient with the outcome. Daanan mo yung proseso. Don't lose hope. Don't lose faith. You are guided by Archangel Michael. You are protected, so don't worry. And whatever you manifested, lalabas siya. Since kung ano nasa isip niya, lumabas dun sa bundok. Meaning, Temperance card is also a card of manifestation. So whatever you have prayed for in the past, darating yan at the right time. And you are being really protected. So daanan mo yung proseso, go with the flow, and everything will be okay. The Temperance card is being clarified by the Six of Cups. I'm sensing this is about you trying to be patient with everything na pinaghandaan mo from a very long time, from your past. Kung ano man yung mga hiniling mo noon pa na hanggang ngayon hiling mo pa rin. Archangel Michael is telling you, you've been heard. Lahat ng pinlano at pinangarap mo ay mapupunta sa'yo at makukuha mo. Just have to be patient. Just have to, parang, I know you're trying to heal your inner child then for other Virgos. Parang meron ka mga bagay in the past na hindi mo makalimutan at hindi mo basta-basta ma-let go. Now is the right time for you to just forget it or use the lessons na nakuha mo doon and go with the flow. Try to have this parang a change in your life na you're hopeful of the future and not dwell in the past. For others, may gift na paparating sa'yo with the Six of Cups. Six of Cups is all about gift of blessings from someone. So, may paparating sa'yo magandang balita this week that will make you happy, and it will be like a reward for your patience, hard work, and continuous effort sa pagbuo ng mga bagay na pinapangarap mo. So, Virgo, that is your March 3 to 9 reading. Saan po kayo naka-resonate? Comment down below kung saan po kayo naka-relate. And I'll be reading your messages here again next week for your weekly reading. This has been James for James Starter PH. God bless everybody.